Welcome to my cooking channel. Let's cooking with Momo. Today we will steamed radish slices. Let's start now. Peeled and sliced radish. Arrange radish slices nicely into steamer plate. You may steam it while cooking rice. Remove from rice cooker steamer plate when rice is cooked. Wow! Radish is cooked and translucent. It's so beautiful. Steamed radish set aside. Let's prepare the sauce. Pour out radish gravy and use it for sauce base. Season with oyster sauce and sesame oil at taste. Drizzle sauce on steamed radish. Steamed radish is ready to serve. Radish tastes sweet and healthy. Good food option for diet control. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.